Hello all, welcome back to our channel. In last video we saw about Pytest, its installation and few basic concepts. In this video we will be focusing more on optimized usage of fixtures and some more concepts around that. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do and show your support. With that said, let's jump to the video. Let's open the code and we are going to start with Conftest. Let's say you have one test case and that test case will be using like number of fixtures, say first fixture, second fixture and few things like what we have listed here. For one test case we have 4 fixtures. But what if your test file contains 20 or 30 or even some 100 fixtures? It will become overpopulated and hard to navigate, right? To overcome this, Pytest provides a feature called Conftest or configuration test. It's a simple Python file, a name constraint one, which Pytest will search and locate in order to run the fixtures being used inside our test suites. I have created one Conftest file and let's import the Pytest as well. And I'm copying all the fixture code part to the Conftest. We have copied the fixture part of code and let's just reformat the test file, and then we shall run this particular test case and see whether the the fixtures are getting collected from the Conftest. So yeah, the test case has passed. Probably like I'll make the test case to fail just to see the debug statements from the fixtures part. And we can see the debug statements in std out console part now. And we see it's the same behavior when we run the same test case with all fixtures kept in a single test file. To summarize Conftest, it's not just a file with collection of fixtures. It can be used for setup and teardown process or to put your common part of code which will be used across your test suite. Moving on, let's see about how Pytest actually searches for fixtures or Conftest inside a test repository. Let's take a sample structure and we are trying to run test file 2_1 which is under subdirectory folder. So Pytest will start with searching fixtures under the subdirectory either in the test file or in Conftest. If not found, it will slowly move towards test directory 2, and even if it is not found there, it will move towards the source directory. This is a pictorial representation used in Pytest documentation that talks about the order of fixture search done by Pytest. Now that we have seen the theory part, let's do some code modifications to understand how the Pytest searches for fixtures inside. So I'm copying the Conftest updates to a root directory and then I'm deleting this Conftest available within the local repo. And just reconfirm the Conftest looks fine. So we have first fixture and second fixture like that, and the remaining Conftest doesn't have any fixtures under the name. So we have only one Conftest in the root directory with the fixture name, whatever being used inside our test case. So let's just run this, and we can see Pytest has collected the fixtures properly, just like as we seen before. It is able to take the fixtures from the global directory here. This looks good. So what we did now, we made Pytest to search up in one directory above the test file's location, and it was able to successfully collect the fixtures. So we will create a subfolder and we will move the test case file inside the subfolder, and we will try to see maybe we will move Conftest inside, or we can keep it in the root file itself, such that Pytest need to search 2 levels above to find any kind of fixtures which are not available in any other directories as well. So let's try to run the test case. So it is in zerowhats subfolder and test zerowhats, and oops, we were not able to collect the test case. Yeah, I missed out the subdirectory, the subfolder to be mentioned. I'll mention it right away. And on execution, we see the fixtures are properly getting collected. So these are the major topics that I wanted to discuss with this video. Summarizing this video in short, we saw about Conftest, which is a file that has collection of fixtures or setup or teardown process code, or even a common part of code that we will be using in our test suites. And also we saw how Pytest will be searching for the fixtures based on the Conftest and the directory structure. I'm dropping this documentation link. If you're interested, you can go through this. You will find few more advanced topics and some more interesting things about Pytest as well, which we will cover in upcoming videos. And with that, we end this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and do comment if you want to discuss or get some more information on the topic that we saw today. So thanks for watching, and see you guys in another video.